Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're looking at the desktop version of the Functional Job Description Tool module. This module is designed to list the core functional movements and demands required for each individual job role related to the workplace. It helps employers define the physical skills required for each role. The information entered can be used both as a tool to assist doctors to identify suitable duties for workers with workers' compensation claims and to assist employers with the pre-employment candidate screening process. Like all system modules, this module is accessible via the Module Navigation menu, and the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels that are controlled within the User Management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the desktop version of all modules in the system. Below the module name and module icon are the main controls. In this case, a link back to the workplace homepage, the option to add a new record, and the option to export all data from the module in CSV format. To the right are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial. Below is the module list view. The controls at the top of the list view and in the column headings allow you to search, filter and sort the list view according to various criteria. The small export icon at the far right of the search and filter tools conveniently exports only the records that display when being filtered. Like the main module export function, this allows selection of the data fields to be included in the exported file. Mousing over the Actions icon displays the various options for managing records in this module. To add a new record, select the plus icon, which displays the functional job description form. Selecting the up icon at the top of the form returns to the list view, but does not save the record. The first two form fields in the report details area, the date created and the author, are pre-populated. The next field, the job title, is a required field and serves as a reference and displays as a filterable and searchable field in the module list view. The remaining fields in the report details section of the form are optional and cater for storage of various details relating to the job being described. The next section of the form, Core Functional Movements and Demands, contains a list of functional demands of tasks associated with the job being described. Each item in the list requires selection of an indicative percentage of work time that each item typically requires, and the form also allows for comments to be recorded alongside each item. Selecting the green help icons within the form pops open more information about the relevant items. The Other Considerations area of the form allows for addition of up to 17 further custom functions, if required. And the final section of the form allows for addition of one or more documents or files related to the job being described. The form will accept a variety of file upload types, including Word and Excel documents, PDF files, and all common image formats, even zip files. To complete the form, click Save, which returns you to the module list view. After creation, mousing over the Actions icon in the list view allows for further management as required, including the option to edit and update the details in the form as and when required. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information and the systems overview for the desktop tutorial in your system's dedicated YouTube channel. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.